Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 20, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column B, 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row or 9th row, we have 1. Column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row and 3rd row, we have 1. Column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 5. 5th row and 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column F also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row and 5th row and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 4th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Second grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column I, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column C, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.